Hi everybody, we're back for one of my favorite days of the month, and it is the Cocoa Daisy unboxing day. So all I did was cut the tape, and let's see what we have inside. So there's that beautiful yellow paper you're used to, and all of the goodies. Ooh, what's this? This is the month's theme, Walk in the Woods, and look at the beautiful maple and sycamore and all the different types of fall leaves. This kit works and looks like it'll complement very well the October kit. I don't know where to start. One thing that I did is last month I got everything Cocoa Daisy, all of the different kits, and it was kind of like overwhelmed because there's so much stuff, you know, not knowing what to use, not all of that type of stuff. So what we have here is just the the Cocoa Daisy mini Dory kit, and then I always get the 3 washi. So there's no classified kit for me this month, no sticker kit, no planner add-on. I just went with the basics. And there's a video that I have coming up that'll explain why I did this. Okay, so let's take a look and see what all we've got. I didn't know there was going to be a pen. That looks beautiful. Okay, so since this is probably the thing that everybody's thinking about, let me make sure I'm in the center, yeah, the most, you'll see that this looks like a dory, but you'll notice there's no elastic holes here, right? Actually, let's see. Look at that. That would hold the Daisy Dory, the mini Daisy Dory. I might experiment this month with this. But you'll see inside, here's the elastic. It has a lovely pocket here. And then it has this pocket right here. It's like a faux material that has like a leatherish feel, but it holds the pad of paper. See, it holds the pad of paper. You've got a pen loop, so you can put your beautiful pen. And actually, let me see. This looks like the pen that we got, the ones that we got this summer in the like June, July, and like September kit. Let's see. November. Yeah, it's a this is what I get. I get the Cocoa Daisy Mini Dory Planner Kit. It is a gel pen. When we get the, like this last month, this is what I've been using, pocket rings. Last month we got this beautiful pen gems. But this is a ballpoint pen, while this is like a gel ink pen, like a Ink Joy, I guess you would, you know, say it's closest to. So I might try and see if I can actually use this as a planner next month. We'll see. Expect a video in the future. We'll see. Okay, I'll open the washi tape in a little bit. So, oh, looks like there's 2 little packs of little leaf washi. Look at that. Look how beautiful that goes with the acorn or the pumpkin. So I might start using those a little bit early so I can save so I don't run out of those. So there's are the Post-its, and I got 2 little stacks. So that's pretty cool. Lots of those. Now, these are the tabs and die cuts, and I think they are just really cool. And I think I might do something different. And see, they even have the design printed on the card. So you can use this as a tip-in. You can cover the back if you wanted to with some like white paper, or I might cover the back with some like watercolor paper or mixed media paper and, you know, adhere it down and do some watercolor to blend that. But this is everything that is inside the kit. I'll try to come as close as I can. There looks like there's beautiful birds and like flowers and leaves and tree bark for a tab. Those are going to be really fun to use. So there's that. I won't go through them because that'll take forever, and then I usually end up losing one when I do that. Look at this beautiful piece of acetate. It's got this beautiful gold foiling on it, and it's got leaves, and it even looks like it has wording on it. Let me get a white piece of paper. Well, here's my Canson watercolor book. There, that looks better. So you can see the beautiful gold foiling, but it's also like there's newspaper print underneath it. Very cool. See that? I'm not sure how well I'm showing that because of the glare from the ring light and the light above me. Very cool. Now, here are the stickers for the month. Looks like there's some extra stuff in here. So these are the ones that go on the tabs, or you can put on the top of a page if you don't want to do a tab, for notes, exercise, gratitude, hello November, budget tracker, Thanksgiving, travel planner, month at a glance, all of that type of stuff. There are alphabet stickers. Look at that. I don't think I've ever gotten alphabet stickers in the planner kit. Normally like on like the planner add-on or the one of the other kits. But very cool. Here is the numbers and the days of the week and some extra little weekend and groceries. So this is kind of your you know, very necessary one if you want to use these in your planner for the days. And then here's your decorative. I guess I wanted to say functional. That's your functional sheet. This one is your decorative. Look at that. Gratitude. Oh, attitude of gratitude. That's what that says. Sometimes the script font with my dyslexia, I freak out a bit. But there's that cute little bird that's a die cut. And see the leaves and Thanksgiving and some more beautiful leaves. Wow. Ooh. Okay. So here's the paper. You get 2 of each. So you'll see we've got these leaves here, and on the back is that beautiful print. Very pretty. Here's this beautiful watercolor, and there's always some sort of a watercolor one, and then you've got a beautiful chevron-y sort of a design on the back. And then here's more leaves with this geometric sort of thing on the back. So that's the paper. Always love the paper. I usually do tabs and dividers, and I don't know what I'm going to do with this month, the special acetate. Oh, and the last thing, the mini Dori. Let's see. I'm going back into my passport. I've been experimenting with pocket rings the last couple of months, and I miss a traveler's notebook. Ooh, what I'll do is I will zoom in. I will zoom in, but look how beautiful the colors are. And then these 2 pages, oh, look, I found Simon already. See? He's right there, floating along with a leaf. He's usually hidden somewhere in there. And I think last month, when I cut this down, I actually cut him out. Sorry, Simon. There's that little birdie again. That is one of the die cuts. Maya Angelou. This is a wonderful day. I've never seen this one before. Oh, look how beautiful this is. Love the tree branch. There's that little birdie. Some more wonderful watercolors. see. I love the leaves. The beautiful trees. These pages used to have, I have to restaple that. It's a little off. There's the dot grid. Okay, there's the dot grid. Yeah, I'm going to have to restaple that or take that staple out because it's bending the page like that. But look how beautiful they are. Oh, we got pumpkins towards the end, so it must be getting close towards Thanksgiving. Look at the beautiful leaves. Expect nothing, appreciate everything. It's wonderful. Ooh, that's interesting. Oh, and there's that cute little birdie. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that die cut. I might make it into a bookmark or something like that. But what I was saying is, if you look at this, look at that. It fits in there perfectly. What you could do is, if you're brave, I'm not sure if I'm going to be brave, you could poke holes. I just happen to have this out, kind of like in a Dori Traveler's Notebook. You could poke 2 holes here and 2 holes here. I would use this as a guide. Maybe use an awl, or I actually have one of those. We are memory keepers, sort of punches. And then you could actually use this as a beautiful pocket planner. And then if you wanted to, you know, you could put in a like a zipper pouch or a craft text folder. This is one of the pen loops from last month that I wanted to try on a folder. There might be a video next month showing what I do with this. So I just wanted to share with you a quick little unboxing. Oh, wait. Nope. The washi tape. Yes, I know I always end up with a double of the main kit washi, but I do that so that way I know I've got all 3 washi. But if you look, I'll try to get rid of the glare. There's leaves here, there's like a pattern, and then this looks like the bark of a birch tree. Isn't that so cool? So that's one reason why I love the washi kit. The washi kit, I think, is the cheapest kit. And say, you know, you have a month where you don't know, do I want a mini Dori? Do I want a, you know, do I want a standard Dori? Do I want to get a kit? Do I just want to use the printables? If you get the washi tape and use the printables, you can decorate so much of your planner. I did that last month, and I'll see if I can remember to link up here or down here that video where you can see how I use those items. So there you go. That is what is in this month's mini Dori planner kit, and I am loving the stuff that we have for October. And it's hard to believe that it's already almost the middle of the month, because this has arrived. I've really been enjoying that stuff. So we'll see. Some of this might make an appearance because it goes really well with the October kit. Okay, so if you have any questions, leave them down below and I will link Cocoa Daisy. And thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.